Need for data structures. A solution is said to be efficient if it solves the problem within the required resource constraints. Need to utilize the hardware effectively. Easy to do operations such as insertion, deletion, update, researching. When selecting a data structure to solve a problem, you should follow these steps. Analyze your problem to determine the basic operations that must be supported. Examples of basic operations include inserting a data item into the data structure, deleting a data item from the data structure, and finding a specified data item. Quantify the resource constraints for each operation. Select the data structure that best meets these requirements. Ask yourself whenever you must choose a data structure, are all data items inserted into the data structure at the beginning, or are insertions interspersed with other operations? Static applications, where the data are loaded at the beginning and never change, typically require only simpler data structures to get an efficient implementation than dynamic applications. Can data items be deleted? If so, this will probably make the implementation more complicated. Are all data items processed in some well-defined order, or is search for specified data items allowed? Random access search generally requires more complex data structures.